In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your WordPress header. Whether you're looking to personalize your website or update your branding, customizing your header is a great starting point. To make this process easy, we'll walk through each step in accessing and editing your WordPress site's header. First off, you'll need to navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage everything about your website. It's essential to ensure you're logged into the account associated with the site you wish to modify. If necessary, you can use the login button typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the page to sign in. After logging in, the next step involves accessing your website editor. Look for the Edit Site button, which should be prominently displayed, usually in a section of your dashboard where your site's name and theme are listed. Go ahead and click on Edit Site. This will launch your website editor where you can easily navigate and make changes to your site's layout and design. Once you're in the site editor, you'll want to focus on the specific page where you plan to edit the header. To do this, locate and click on the page of your website. This should bring up the various page elements you can modify, including the coveted header section. Now, to get to the header customization, you'll want to find and select the header section. This might be positioned at the top of your page layout as an obvious choice. Clicking on Header will usually expand the header options available for your theme. With the header section expanded, you'll find an Edit button. Clicking this will bring you directly into the editing mode for the header section. This is where the creative part begins. You can now modify various aspects of your header, such as changing the logo, updating the site title, adding a tagline, or adjusting any navigation menus you've incorporated. As you make these modifications, remember that it's essential to check how each change reflects the overall theme and functionality of your site. Take advantage of any preview options your editor offers to ensure your updates look great on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're satisfied with how your header looks, it's time to save your changes. Find the Save button, usually in the right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this will ensure all your adjustments are stored and published on your live website, and there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to efficiently edit your WordPress header. Customizing your header not only enhances your website's appearance, but also helps convey your brand's identity to your visitors. Happy editing!